Hi. Ever catch yourself scrolling through supercar listings even though you know you can't afford one, but day after day you still scroll hoping to find a good deal even though you only have $500 to your name? But what if we could turn $500 into a supercar? Let's go. Okay, so we have a $500 budget. We're gonna buy a car, fix it up, and sell it while keeping underneath the budget of $500. The car, the parts, whatever we spend on the first car, we can't go over budget. When we sell the first car, whatever we make from selling it is going to be the budget for the next car, and so on. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button and comment down below of any tips you may have for me. So I guess I'll see you in the next video where we buy our first car and start fixing it so we can hopefully sell it for a profit.